Most people think InboxDollars is broken when their earnings don't show up. They complete surveys, watch videos, or finish offers, and then nothing gets credited. That's when panic starts. Here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, InboxDollars is not broken. The issue is usually tracking, timing, or simple mistakes users don't notice. In this video, you'll learn exactly why InboxDollars is not crediting your earnings in 2026, and step-by-step fixes to solve it quickly. Let's get straight into it. First, understand how crediting works. InboxDollars does not always update your balance instantly. Some activities, especially surveys and offers, go through a verification process before points appear. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some rewards are delayed because advertisers need to confirm that you completed the task properly. So even if you finished everything, the credit can take a few hours or sometimes a few days. But here's the problem most users don't realize. A large number of missing credits are caused by tracking issues on your device, not the platform itself. Let's go step by step to fix it. First, check your internet connection before starting tasks. If your connection drops during a survey or offer, the completion might not register properly. Users like Alex from California often report missing credits after switching between Wi-Fi and mobile mid-task. Data mid-task. Second, avoid using VPNs or ad blockers. InboxDollars tracks activity through secure links, and these tools can block credit tracking completely. Third, always complete tasks in one session. If you open an offer and close it halfway, the system may not record it as completed. Now here's another important fix. Clear your browser cache or app data regularly. Old cache data can interfere with tracking links and prevent credits from updating correctly. Another common issue is timing. Some offers only credit after a delay period. For example, shopping cashback or app installs may take 24 to 72 hours before showing up in your account. If you still don't see your earnings after waiting, the next step is support. Go to the InboxDollars help section and submit a missing credit request. Include details like the offer name, time completed, and screenshots if possible. But here's what you should avoid. Don't spam multiple support tickets. That actually slows down the review process. So to summarize clearly, InboxDollars not crediting issues usually come from tracking interruptions, delayed advertiser confirmation, or simple user-side errors. The key takeaway is simple. Most missing credits are fixable if you follow the right steps and avoid interruptions during tasks. If you use InboxDollars correctly, your earnings will appear consistently over time. If this helped you fix InboxDollars crediting issues in 2026, like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more honest earning app guides.